when they say make una dey honest, una say who honest help. For the good and honest wey Portable talk yesterday do, because of Bobrisky, they dash Portable brand new car, drive out to Lagos with security. Please share this video. Truth is good, and follow this page. Let this video go viral. You get why? Congratulations to Portable. Ah.
See your motor. Your motor they convert. Portable, jump better side, now jump better side. Jump better side. Jump better side, motor. Oh my brotherhood. Brotherhood. This is from brotherhood to brotherhood.
God bless you, brotherhood. You know go spoil for you, brotherhood. But you know spoil your brotherhood. You help your brotherhood. You cover your brotherhood. God will cover you, brotherhood. The damn Tata of Abuja International. Now you give me compared to my brotherhood. Before for that club, I want marry and she go house. But as he said me, promise me pata Benz. Now make me leave the woman. I can't follow Benz. Are you sure you say make?
You got a good friend for another person in your house. Now in the house, you got another good friend for another person. Now in this one, see family, Osado family, Olowo family, rich family. Come and see palace. Come and see palace. You be that Tata family. You rich man than Tata. You rich man than Tata. You are that Tata of Abuja.
For today, you are now that Tata of Abuja. International, yo.
Believe
come to my palace.
Now go.
Come and sit down with me.
Kingis. I want Kingis. Sit down for the palace. You don't know a king. You don't sit down here. At all.
Go, fear God first. Leave man.
Zazu leave.
President government, they claim chairman. Now you, after God, now government. Now human being, they control government.
Zazu, you know what will happen tonight?
I do with you.
I go start with this convertible for you.
Okay.
But you see now,
Rolls Royce there.
Oh.
Every kind of machine there.
I use this one.
Rolls Royce.
God, I go. This is your company.
Rolls Royce.
I go.
Rolls Royce.
My company must be like yours.
Yes,
even over this one. I get God. I believe in God.
Yes, sir.
Before next 3 years, I go pack all this money.
Yes.
Montana.
I want to explode.
Now who get God that they give motto?
Hey.
Now who get God that they dash motto? Yes, sir. Order me. Oh, that's all my daddy. Oh.
Hey. Look,
Brother, no, why? It's okay. Where's the khaki? You know, sir, where's the khaki? Portable. The khaki they there. So when you come in the morning, no problem. Your khaki they there. Portable.
God bless you. And cover me, God will cover you. You don't blame me today. God will rise you. More than this.
Portable.
Before next year, the guy double. 3 to 4 pool.
Oh yeah, that's one of the
2024, your blessing.
That's one of the Portable.
Real life, only one and only thing more. Give more.
Oh, Portable, get up. Portable, get up. Portable, get up. Arise and shine. For the light has come. According to Isaiah chapter 60, verse 1 to 10. Arise
and shine. Arise and shine.
my brotherhood.
I don't beg to shine. You are my brotherhood. Brotherhood, don't dash me, motto. God bless my brotherhood. God bless my brotherhood. God bless my brotherhood. Brotherhood, God bless you, motto. God bless my brotherhood.
Yeah, drive the go. Portable, you can go now.
Man, I go.
Portable small.
Continue, guys.
Wow, a very big congratulations to Portable. This one loud oh. This car worth millions of naira. This is grace. Who God has blessed, no man can. You guys complete it. I'm so happy for him. This one is coming few days after he released song for Bobrisky. Oh. See how favor speaks for someone. Anyways, guys, drop your congratulatory message in the comment section, alright? And I will definitely see you all in my next one. Always remember that my name is Uju and this is Uju React. See you all soon. Bye for now.